Ever felt like your energy just disappears for no reason? You wake up tired, drag yourself through the day, and by 3 p.m., you're staring at your coffee cup wondering, why am I always exhausted? You think caffeine is the answer. So you pour another cup, then another. But the more caffeine you drink, the less it works. Your heart races, your brain fogs, and you crash harder. You start thinking, maybe I'm just lazy. But here's the truth. You're not low energy. You're low-nourished. You see, most people think energy comes from caffeine or motivation or willpower. But real energy, the kind that makes you want to move, build, create, live, comes from balance, from giving your body what it actually needs. So if you've been running on fumes, this one's for you. Let's start with what no one talks about, the reasons your energy feels broken. Subscribe and stay up to date. One exciting videos. 1. You're dehydrated, but not from water, from minerals. You can drink a gallon of water a day and still feel drained. Why? Because your cells don't just need H2O. They need electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium. These tiny minerals are the spark plugs of your body. They help your nerves fire, your muscles move, your heart pump. Without them, your energy system shorts out. You might think you're tired, but really you're just low on charge. So before you reach for coffee, reach for salt, the right kind. Add a pinch of sea salt or pink salt to your water. Eat foods rich in potassium, avocado, coconut water, bananas, and magnesium. That's your calm energy mineral, found in almonds, spinach, pumpkin seeds. When your cells get the right minerals, suddenly your body hums again. You don't need caffeine, you just needed fuel. 2. You're breathing wrong. Sounds silly, right? But most couch potatoes, most people, honestly, are shallow breathers, chest breathers. Constantly in a low-level stress mode. When you breathe like that, your brain thinks you're in danger. It pumps cortisol. It keeps you tense. Your cells get less oxygen, and guess what? Less oxygen means less energy. So try this. Once or twice a day, sit up straight, close your mouth, and take 10 slow breaths through your nose, deep into your belly. Feel your ribs expand. Then exhale slowly. It signals your body, we're safe. Your nervous system relaxes. Your oxygen levels rise. You feel calmer, sharper, alive. You didn't need caffeine, you just needed air. 3. Your sleep isn't bad because of time. It's bad because of light. You might sleep 8 hours and still wake up tired. Why? Because your body doesn't just need sleep, it needs deep sleep. And deep sleep depends on light cues. Morning light, evening darkness. At night, if your phone, your TV, your LED lights are blasting your eyes with blue light, your brain thinks it's daytime. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, never rises. You toss, you turn. You wake up groggy. So fix your light before your sleep. In the morning, go outside. 10 minutes of real sunlight. It resets your body clock. At night, dim the lights. Put your phone down an hour before bed, or at least use night mode. That tiny change can flip your energy from zombie to human. You'll sleep deeper, wake clearer. No caffeine required. 4. You're running on fake fuel. Let's be honest. Most of us eat like we're charging a phone, not fueling a body. Processed food, sugar, instant noodles, energy drinks. You eat, get a spike, then crash. Your blood sugar looks like a roller coaster. Every crash steals energy from your future. And your body, tired of the chaos, starts conserving. You feel sluggish, lazy, unmotivated. But you're not broken. You're just under nutritionally. Start small. Add one real thing to your meals. Not a diet, not a cleanse, just real food. Eggs, fruit, veggies, lean protein, nuts. Think color. Think crunch. Think foods your grandma would recognize. Within days, your cells start waking up. Your brain fog fades. That 3 p.m. slump? Gone. Food is fuel. Junk is a drain. Choose fuel. 5. You're ignoring your body clock. Your energy follows rhythms, your chronotype. Some people peak in the morning, some in the afternoon, some at night. The society says, wake at 6, grind all day, sleep by 10. And if that's not your rhythm, you feel off, forever fighting biology. So stop forcing, observe. When do you feel naturally alert? When you crash. Start aligning tasks with that rhythm. Work out when you feel awake. Do focused work during your peak hours. Rest when your body asks. You'll get more done with less effort. That's not laziness. That's working with your biology. 6. You're addicted to stimulation. Your brain has learned to expect constant hits, phone notifications, scrolling noise. You're overstimulated but under-rested. Every ping burns energy. Every scroll drains dopamine. So when you finally sit down to work or move, your brain says, no fuel left. Try a dopamine detox, even 15 minutes. No phone, no noise, no input. Just you and silence. It feels uncomfortable at first, but your energy slowly refills. You begin craving real life again. The walk, the workout, the sunlight, not the scroll. 7. You stopped moving and your body's forgotten how to make energy. Energy creates energy. When you sit all day, your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, go dormant. They think you don't need fuel, but start moving, even a little, and they wake up. They multiply. You literally grow more energy factories. It's biology. So don't overthink it. Don't say, I'll start Monday. Just stand up. Stretch. Walk for 5 minutes. Do 2 push-ups. Dance in your kitchen. These tiny bursts reteach your body how to create energy again. Each move tells your cells, we're alive. Keep up. Soon you don't need coffee to feel awake. You just are. 8. You've forgotten the power of stillness. Sometimes you're not tired because your body's out of fuel. You're tired because your mind's overloaded. Constant thinking, worrying, replaying. Your brain's been sprinting all day. Rest isn't just sleep, it's mental silence. Meditation, journaling, or even 5 quiet minutes outside can reset your mental energy in a way caffeine never could. It's like rebooting your inner system. 9. You're missing the micro habits that keep energy steady. Tiny things like standing up once an hour, drinking water before coffee, or eating protein at breakfast seem too small to matter, but they add up. They stabilize your blood sugar, improve circulation, and keep your brain alert. Energy isn't about one big fix, it's about hundreds of small wins. Now let's flip it, the practical side. How do you actually fix your low energy without caffeine? Step 1. Rebuild your charge. Start your day hydrated. First thing in the morning before coffee, drink water with a pinch of sea salt or electrolyte powder. Then get sunlight on your face. This combo tells your brain, wake up naturally. You'll feel sharper in 15 minutes than after 2 cups of coffee. Step 2. Feed your cells, not your cravings. Breakfast sets the tone. Skip the sugar bomb cereal or pastry. Eat protein and fat, eggs, yogurt, oats with nuts, whatever works for you. It balances blood sugar. You won't crash mid-morning, energy stays steady. Step 3. Move before you need motivation. Don't wait to feel like it. Just move. A 5-minute walk after meals stabilizes blood sugar and digestion. A stretch in the morning boosts circulation. Movement tells your body we're in use. The energy follows action, not the other way around. Step 4. Protect your sleep like your paycheck. Dim lights an hour before bed. Turn off screens. Cool your room. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's where your energy refills. You can't pour from an empty tank. Step 5. Rethink caffeine. Don't quit, just time it. Drink your first cup 90 minutes after waking. This lets your natural cortisol do its job. You'll rely on less caffeine, get more effect when you use it, and crash less. If you drink coffee all day, taper down after noon. Your sleep and energy will thank you. Bonus step. Recharge your mind. Take 10 quiet minutes daily. No input, no phone. Just breathe or sit. That's your brain's power nap. You'll be surprised how much more alive you feel afterward. Here's the truth. You don't have a motivation problem. You have an energy system problem. Your body isn't broken. It's just under-supported. Once you give it what it needs, minerals, movement, real food, real rest, it does what it's built to do, thrive. So tonight, before you go to bed, don't promise yourself, I'll have more coffee tomorrow. Promise, I'll fuel my body differently. Lay out your water bottle. Add that pinch of salt. Plan a 5-minute walk in the morning. These tiny things, they're the difference between feeling drained and feeling alive. Because your dreams, your goals, your spark, they don't need caffeine. They need nourishment. You're not low energy. You're low-nourished. And starting tomorrow, you fix that. One small charge at a time.